I think the response of BJP and JDU is very hypocritical because they're obviously forgetting that this is a breach of Parliament's privilege, there's a corruption issue, there's an insult to the Indian people and the voters and an insult to our Parliament. If Parliament has to have the respect of the people, Parliament must set up a committee like the House of Lords did in that corruption case, and I think another overseas Parliament did when they found that people are taking money and issuing such letters to haul these members of privilege, investigate and possibly suspend them from Parliament for the remainder of service. I think Prakash Javadekar and the political party should take it very, very seriously because it impeaches on what they come out and tell us. They stand for good governance, they stand for integrity, they stand for honesty. I think it's a very, very serious issue and they're taking it very lightly and I think we should all protest against this.
Now,
no, we are not.
Now,
we are not.
One
we are not taking
Anirudh Bahal. Anirudh Bahal with us. No, Anirudh Bahal, there is Hari Manji of the BJP MP in the Lok Sabha with us. Manji ji, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me?
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है
जी। तो मांझी जी, ये अभी अनिरुद्ध बहल हमारे साथ है, वो कोबरा पोस्ट के चीफ एडिटर हैं और उन्होंने ये स्टिंग ऑपरेशन कराया है। तो मैं पहले उनसे पूछूंगा, फिर आपसे रिप्लाई लूंगा। What is the charge in this specific case, Anirudh, versus Mr. Hari Manji, Bharatiya Janata Party member of parliament from Gaya in Bihar? Let's take this specific instance.
In this specific instance, Mr. Manji, exactly there, if I can recollect it right in the notes in front of me, the deal was for 1.5 lakhs, but he was paid 50 lakhs and he agreed to issue a letter and he was using a certain Kamlesh, I think his brother, as a go-between, and he said my brother will negotiate for me and he was there all the time and that we will pay the balance later. But since in principle he agreed to issue it, we felt no need to go and spend 1 lakh, neither did we have that kind of money to get the letter. So as I said, the story for the 11 MPs were, we got 6 letters and in the rest of the cases there was a clear commitment on behalf of the MP that he would issue a letter if the full amount was paid. In the case of a Congress MP, he was asking for 50 lakhs, we don't have that kind of money. Another MP was asking for 6 lakhs, we don't have that kind of money. So in MPs who are asking for exorbitant sums, we are not going to go back to them with that sum. If they principally agree that they will write that letter for a particular sum of money, that is enough for us.
No, so in the case of Mr. Manji, did he write the letter, Anirudh?
No, he didn't write the letter.
But he accepted the offer.
He didn't write that letter.
He accepted the offer.
That's right.
And he directly accepted the offer or through some people in his office?
Sorry, in the case of Mr. Bhatt paid to the broker and received letter. Sorry, Mr. Manji, we received the letter.
You received the letter?
We received the letter.
So
that's right.
Written by Mr. Manji?
We paid. That's right. We received the letter.
Was he paid money for writing the letter?
That's right.
How much lakhs. Money? How much money?
50,000.
50,000 rupees in cash?
That's right.
मांझी जी, 50,000 रुपए कैश में लिया गया आपसे? आपने या आपके ऑफिस से किसी ने 50,000 रुपए में चिट्ठी लिखी? ये क्या बात हो रहा है?
नहीं, वो सब बढ़िया बात है, गलत बात है। मैंने चिट्ठी लिखा हूँ, मैं चिट्ठी लिखते आ रहा हूँ, आज भी मैंने चिट्ठी लिखा हूँ, लेकिन इस तरह से मेरे साथ कोई सौदा नहीं हुआ है, मैं किसी से पैसा भी नहीं लिया हूँ।
तो आपने नहीं, एक मिनट, अनिरुद्ध, what proof do you have that money was taken?
The entire transaction is on video.
ये तो सारा वीडियो है इनके पास। ये 50,000 रुपए जो आपने लिया, ये सारा इसका पूरा वीडियो है अनिरुद्ध बहल जी के पास।
कोबरा पोस्ट के
कोबरा पोस्ट के पास तो मतलब है कि मेरा दिखावे कि हम 50,000 रुपया कब लिए, किसके सामने लिए, कौन मीडिया के सामने लिए?
नहीं, एक मिनट, उनके सामने लिए
फैक्स करने के लिए तैयार हूं।
एक मिनट, वो कोबरा पोस्ट के जो अध्यक्ष हैं अनिरुद्ध बहल, वो भी हमारे स्टूडियो में है। आप उनसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपको याद नहीं है आपने किससे लिया 50,000 रुपए? क्या आपके पास इतना पैसा है कि आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि 50,000 रुपए कौन देता है आपको?
नहीं, हमको कोई देवे नहीं किया है, हम किसी से पैसा के मांगे नहीं किया
आपके ये जो स्टिंग है, इसमें कोई आपका आदमी आपके ऑफिस में धर्मेंद्र नाम का?
नहीं नहीं, वैसा बात नहीं है।
नहीं,
मेरे
कोई
आदमी
धर्मेंद्र
नहीं
करके
है
कोई
और
है?
किसी से पैसा का लेन देन बात भी
नहीं,
किया हूं।
धर्मेंद्र करके
अगर इस
कोई है
तरह
आपके
को
ऑफिस में,
आरोप लगाया
या
जा
आपके
रहा है
साथ
तो
कोई काम
सरासर
करते हैं
गलत है।
धर्मेंद्र करके?
नहीं नहीं, हम कोई धर्मेंद्र का मैं नहीं जानता हूँ।
कोई नहीं, कोई धर्मेंद्र को नहीं जानते हैं। तो दिस
जी जी नहीं, मैं जानता हूँ किसी को।
Anirudh, in this case, who is this Dharmendra? Because there was a reference to such a person telling the reporter that आप मुझे जानते हैं बहुत दिनों से और उनको 1.5 लाख देना है, उसमें से थोड़ा 10-20 हज़ार उसका पीए लेगा, बाकी सब रख लेगा, वो पीए को 4,000 रुपए दे दीजिए. What was all this? Can you explain that?
There are these touts and middlemen. There are these touts and middlemen who are making a living in North Avenue and South Avenue. Some of them live in Barsati, some of them sort of live in the MP's houses, and they have these access to the MPs. And as I told you, ours was not a fishing expedition. We went where the middlemen said that the MPs were doing this, and they took us to the MPs who were doing this for money. And so we went there, and the touts also took us there. In many of the cases, what has happened is that the transaction has happened and they are very cautious not to do the transaction themselves. In that same shot you will see in the next room, etc., or a little outside, the tout making that transaction with the tout with money, and then the reporter comes back and confirms the transaction with the particular MP. He confirms it that this much money has been paid, are you okay, and we'll come back. In this particular thing, in this particular case, he was also very sure that they would come back, and then he said, okay, trust bana rahega, and please negotiate with Mr. Kamlesh, etc., etc. So the whole thing is on
ये
video.
कमलेश कौन है? हरी मांझी जी, ये कमलेश कौन है?
हाँ, कमलेश पीएस है मेरा।
आपके पीएस हैं? तो उनको वो भी तो टेप में है, वो भी टेप में पकड़े गए हैं, कोबरा पोस्ट के टेप पे।
हाँ, तो पकड़े गए होंगे, लेकिन हमरा उससे कोई किसी तरह से मतलब है कि कोबरा वाला बात से किसी तरह से लेन देन की बात नहीं होगी, पैसा का भी कोई बात नहीं।
तो आप ये क्यों बोल रहे हो कि कमलेश से बात करो? कमलेश जो कहेगा हमारे बिहाफ में करेगा।
नहीं, एक मिनट, अनिरुद्ध सवाल कर रहे हैं आपसे, एक मिनट, इस बात को जरा इसकी तहकीकात करें। अनिरुद्ध आपसे कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, आप उनका उत्तर दीजिए। जी अनिरुद्ध, गो अहेड।
आप क्यों बोले हमारे रिपोर्टर से कि कमलेश हमारे बारे में, अब जो भी आप बात करेंगे कमलेश से करिए, पैसे की बात करिए आप कमलेश से करिए, जो भी बात करिए कमलेश से करिए। आपके सामने सारी बात हो रही है, आप कह रहे हैं कमलेश से बात करो, तो हमारे रिपोर्टर ने कमलेश से बात करी।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा बात नहीं है, कुछ हम नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कहा कि लेन देन की बात है और फलना है। वो कमलेश मेरा पीएस है, हमने मतलब है कि कहा कि मतलब कि हम कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ इस बात को, है ना। हमरा आप लेटर लिखाने के लिए आए हैं, अब आपने लिख दिया, आपको
ऐसे ही लिख दिया।
पैसा के लेन देन में हमको कहूँ पर मतलब नहीं है, नहीं लिया हूँ, नहीं हमने पैसा का चर्चा किया हूँ। अगर हम कहूँ पर लिए हैं तो हमरा दिखावे कि हाँ ये पैसा लिए हैं।
नहीं नहीं, ये तो देखिए, दे बहुत बड़ा एक्सेप्ट। नो वन सेकंड अनिरुद्ध, आई थिंक दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वी हैव गॉट द मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट प्रकाश जावड़ेकर, यू आर लिसनिंग टू दिस, you are listening to this now. Yes. Anirudh and I, nobody is putting words in his mouth, right? He's made a major, he said, I've written the letter and I met you and Kamlesh is my PS, so at least 90% of the things in the sting operation which Cobra Post has put out has been confirmed here on live television. I think you should be very concerned. What do you think?
That is why I said we are concerned and we will definitely see the full video, which today we were in Parliament till late night because there were many discussions with Lokpal and other things and meetings.
No, but this is very serious.
We will see the things. We will ask the members.
This is very serious, Mr. Javadekar.
And then we'll give our
Mr. Javadekar, this is very. No, this is very. No member of Parliament. The members of Parliament are not sent to Parliament to write letters. And if they are sent to write letters for all and sundry corporate groups which come to them, then people have every right to ask them, don't they, Mohandas Pai? What's your motive in doing so?
Yes. Yes. See, Arnab, I don't think we send members of political parties to Parliament to be sold like this.
Oh, yes.
To put themselves up for sale.
Oh, yes. I mean,
I think it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace to citizens, disgrace to Parliament, and Parliament must take action.
A decade after, I'm taking a break. You know, this discussion is poised at a very important point. Gentlemen, allow me a 3-minute break because a decade after Bangaru Lakshman, Cobra Post comes out with an inquiry which must be investigated in depth. If there is even the slightest ounce of truth in this, this should shake up the citadel of Indian politics. I'm back on the other side.